Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex signal. Our Forex quote by Bruce Kovner: novice traders trade 5 to 10 times too big. They are taking 5 to 10% risk. On a trade they should be taking 1 to 2% risk on, meaning, as a rule, when you first start trading, never risk more than 1 or 2% of your trading account on a trade. For example, if you have $3,000 in your account, never trade more than $30. Trading signal for 15 to 19. May 2023. Strategy. Price action AI. Major confluence, smart money concept, ICT, demand and supply zone. Technical analysis. Higher time frame, entry opportunity. Lower time frame, currency pair. Australian dollar to US dollar. Trading bias. Buy/long. Entry price 0.67045. Stop loss 0.66351. Take profit for conservative traders, 0.66782. Take profit 2 for aggressive traders, 0.67045. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till the end of the trading week and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. Australian dollar to US dollar represents the exchange rate between the Australian dollar, AUD, and the US dollar, USD. When placing a buy order for Australian dollar to US dollar, it means you are expressing the desire to purchase Australian dollars and sell an equivalent amount of US dollars at the prevailing exchange rate. The execution of a buy order is subject to market conditions and the availability of a counterparty willing to sell the desired amount of Australian dollars at the specified exchange rate. The actual execution and settlement of the order would depend on the policies and procedures of the brokerage firm or financial institution you are dealing with. The content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as investment, financial advice. Nothing contained on our video constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We expressly recommend that you seek advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signals latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly, join our free Telegram channel from the description. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your pips. Bye-bye.